Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see video watch history on Facebook. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Facebook application, and first of all, we need to go to the Facebook setting. You can click on the three lines on the top right and click on the setting icon. And here you have to scroll down until you find the activity log. Go to the activity log and you have to go to your Facebook activity. Okay, and here you have to select this one, activity history, right? And you're going to folder it. You can click on folder and then just click on categories. Okay, and select the your Facebook activity and select post. And since we want to see video watch history, we can select videos you've watched, right? And here you'll be able to see your video watch history on your Facebook. Alright guys, and that's all the way to see video watch history on Facebook. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.